Good morning, children. Today we are starting new chapter number 7, decimals. We have already done fractions. Now, how to write in fractions? Here there are 10 blocks and 2 blocks are completely shaded. So, how to write in fraction? 2 upon 10. That means completely shaded parts, that will be the numerator, and total parts, that will be the denominator. Similarly, in this figure, 4 parts are completely shaded and total 10 blocks are given. So 4 upon 10. So fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000 and so on, they are called decimal fractions. For example, 2 by 10, 4 by 100, 16 by 1000. These all are decimal fractions. Now this is in fraction, and if I want to write it in decimals, how I will write? Here we have 1 0 in the denominator. So I will put decimal before one digit. So here it is 0.2. Here also, because denominator is 10, so we have to put decimal before one digit. So here 0.4. Similarly, some more examples are there. 2 by 10 will be written as 0.2. 4 by 100, because two zeros are there, so we have to put decimal before two digits. So 4 is there and the next digit we have to write 0 and then this decimal. So 0.04. Next, 16 upon 1000. Here we have 3 zeros. So where to put the decimal here? We have to count 3 digits from back. 1, 2. Now there is no third digit, so we have to put a 0 and then decimal. So numbers which are written in decimal form, they are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. For example, 24.89. Now this part is whole number part. This point is called as decimal point, and the digits which are after the decimal point, they are called as decimal part. So this is about a decimal. Now let's see the place value table for decimals. Here, this is the decimal one. Now before decimal, it is simple: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. But after the decimals, what we have to write? It is tens, hundreds, thousands. So here when we are writing tens, it is 1 by 10. Hundreds, it is 1 by 100. Thousands, then it is 1 by 1000. Ones, it is 1 only. Tens, 10. Hundreds, 100. Now see the numbers. The first number is 14.485. Now how to write it in place value table? Here this 4, it is at ones place, and this 1, it is at tens place. This is before the decimal. Now let's see the numbers which are after the decimal. 4, it is at 10th place. Then 8, it is at hundredths place. And 5, it is at thousandths place. So we have to write the numbers like this. The next number is 6.689. So 6 is before the decimal. So it will be at ones place. Now after the decimal, this 6 will be at tenths place. 8 hundredths place. 9 thousandths place. Similarly, this third number 215.452. Now here we have before this decimal 5 ones place, 1 tens place, 2 hundreds place, and after the decimal 4 tenths place, 5 hundredths place, 2 thousandths place. This is how to write numbers in the place value table. Then we have types of decimals. There are two types of decimals. First one, like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places. They are called like decimals. For example, 24.89, 65.98, 87.58. That means we have to see the numbers after the decimal. If after the decimals number of digits are same, then they are called like decimals. And unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. That means after the decimal, if number of digits are different. Here there are 3 digits, here 2 digits, here 1 digit. So they are called as unlike decimals.